it, me go on with it.
Yo, is it? Are you kidding me?
Toast, yeah. So we are coming here with a force.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know my hair look wild right now, but it's okay because it's gonna look put together in a few minutes, okay? If this is your first time tuning into my channel, my name is Manifa and welcome to my channel. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on all social media platforms. It will be linked down below. And let's just get into the video. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a deep side part with the swoop bang coming to the sides, like something like this. I think this would be cute with the bun on this side. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. The products that I'm gonna be using is Jamaican black castor oil, strengthen and restore leave-in conditioner as my leave-in conditioner, and the Softy protein gel. So let's just get